How to secure a work permit to come to work in Canada. Hi, my name is Ka, and I'm an immigration consultant. Through Sinca Immigration, we help many individuals and businesses to successfully immigrate to Canada. So some of you asked me, like, what's the best way to secure a work permit to come to Canada? This has become a really, really important question now, mainly because Canada has been a very, very dynamic economy and attracts many workers from all over the world to come over here for a better life, better work opportunity. So if you're interested in working in Canada, a really fundamental prerequisite is to get the work permit first. So this video, we're going to introduce how you may do that. And again, because immigration rules change a lot, so we cannot ensure that the accuracy of this video will be the same even in the next 2 or 3 years. But this is the most updated as of 2024 April. So step one, assess your qualification. Now, before you submit a work permit application, it's very important to identify the category that aligns with your circumstances. Now, Canada provides various work permit options, such as employer-specific work permits, open work permits, international agreement, and each category entails specific category. And this concerning the one that corresponds to your situation is a really important step in terms of having a successful application. Now, step two, explore employment possibilities. Now, after determining the suitable work permit category, start your search for job prospects in Canada. Now, an example is you can look onto the job boards, and any industry-specific websites, any professional networks. An example would be LinkedIn, Canada's job board. And you definitely find lots of potential employers who are interested in hiring international workers. Now, establishing the connections and networking within your desired field will significantly boost your likelihood of getting a job offer. Step three, secure a job offer. Now, to seek an employer-specific work permit, a valid job offer from a Canadian employer is required. The job offer must meet specific criteria and be substantiated by a positive lemma from the employer, unless an exemption applies. So the lemma is a measure to ensure that employing an international worker will not adversely affect job opportunities for Canadian workers. Step number four, collect necessary documents. Compiling the essential documents is a vital stage in the work permit application process. The specific documents required may vary based on your situation, but typically you need the following. First thing, valid passport, the proof of job offer, or we call it an employment contract or the employment letter. Any educational diplomas and transcript from your school, from your country, language proficiency test results such as IELTS or CELPIP, proof of financial support, valid travel document or visa if applicable, any medical examinations record if required. Step five, finalize the application. Now, having your documents prepared, you can now move forward to finalize the work permit application. The application can be submitted either online or through a paper-based process, depending on your country of residence. Now, make sure you stay close to the instruction provided by the Citizenship Canada, making certain that all the information is accurate and up to date. Next point, the payments. Generally, work permit applications involve a processing fee payable to the Government of Canada upon submission. The fee might vary depending on the type of work permit and processing times. Payment can be completed online using a credit or debit card, following the instruction outlined in the application. Step 4, wait for a decision. Now, upon submitting your application, await a decision from the Citizenship and Immigration Department. Processing times can fluctuate based on factors such as application volume and the type of work permit. You can monitor the status of your application online using the provided application number. Step 8, arrival in Canada. If your work permit application gets approved, you will receive a letter of introduction and a work permit. Ensure to carefully review the details on your work permit, including the start and end date and any specific conditions. Plan your travel to Canada accordingly and carry all necessary documents with you. Ready to turn your aspiration of working in Canada into reality? At Sincar Immigration, we have helped lots of amazing folks like you, and to immigrate to Canada successfully through the process of obtaining a work permit and facilitating the transition to working in Canada. Our teams of experts is here to help. We can assist you at every step from assessing your eligibility to submitting your application. So don't miss out on this amazing country called Canada and diversify the job opportunity that Canada has to offer. So contact Sincar today. Again, my name is Ka, and I look forward to discussing your case.